ama-reactions wabantu and the comments that followed after watching the episode, mina bengiwahleka, angifuni uqamba amanga, bengiwahleka, was laughing, yabo, bengihleka ngakhala inyembezi, you understand, because it showed me ukuthi how much people are invested kulomsebenzi esiwenzayo, uyangizwisisa. So okuyisona sizathu bafethu esingenza ukuthi ngihlale kule studio namhlanje ngisho lento engizoyisho namhlanje ukuthi ngifuna ukunibonisa ukuthi there is no bad blood between mina no Ray Sacha or Ulisa umlungu wami even. There is no bad blood between us. What we do umsebenzi kuphela. So the misunderstanding that we had ngaloba busuku loba, something was said or something happened in the bedroom, you understand, when we were all seated there, when we were all there sitting there siyixoxela, you understand.